Hey my loves, Mariela here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys a Trader Joe's tour because I've never gone inside of that supermarket before, and also a Trader Joe's haul. So I hope that you guys really enjoy this video, and also if you want to hear feedback and reviews on how I like all of the items that I purchased, then definitely follow me on Instagram as I will be reviewing all the products on there. But yeah, if you enjoy this kind of content, then definitely make sure to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other items from Trader Joe's that you do recommend, make sure to drop it in the comments below. While you're here, you guys, don't forget to click the like button. Also, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. This will definitely help me continue bringing you the content that you guys so much enjoy. And when you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell so you can get notified every time that I upload a video. Something really cool about my Trader Joe's is that it's right in the plaza of Gillette Stadium, so home of the Patriots, right there. Yay, Trader Joe's! Everyone's gonna look at me filming like I'm a weirdo. So I'm currently in the ice cream section. Check out these amazing ice cream sandwiches. Let's see how many calories they have. 370 calories per serving. Brownies. These are super famous on TikTok. Oh, these are really famous on TikTok as well. These are TikTok famous. Huh? Chocolate covered bananas. You like that? I heard these are good. I want to try it. Yay! Marinade orange chicken. Cauliflower orange chicken. Healthy. Low fat, low main. This is the cauliflower stir-fried rice. Look at cauliflower stir-fry. Want some shrimp fried rice? Ooh, spicy Mexican style shrimp fried rice. They have so many options. So they have this roasted vegetable multi-grain lasagna. I grabbed that, and then they have this broccoli and cauliflower gratin. Don't know what that is, but sounds interesting. Oh, let's see if we find some healthy ravioli. Ricotta and spinach filled ravioli. This is actually very famous on TikTok as well. I'm gonna try it. Okay, you guys, I found the fun part. Vegan everything. So here are some vegan chicken crispy strips, vegan burgers. So delicious. Shrimp tempura. More seafood. So I found this chocolate flavored syrup for my son because he loves chocolate milk, and this is organic, so it's much cleaner than the Nesquik one that he uses. So I am now in the oatmeal / cereal / fiber bar section. Let's see what we run into. So they have these Trader Joe's coconut brings chocolate and dates bar. So it's basically chocolate and dates. Then we have this organic chocolate chip chewy granola bar. This is what the back looks like. So cute in here. I also grabbed some sparkling wine in the rosé flavor, which is my favorite wine flavor. And this is all the stuff I've gotten so far. Okay guys, so it is the next day. I'm wearing my handy dandy bata that is so comfortable to clean the house in and to just chill around. It's the day before Valentine's Day and I am going to show you what I got at Trader Joe's. So let me grab my bags. So I got all of this for $63. $63 for 2 bags of Trader Joe items. And I'm about to show you guys what I got. In no particular order. So the first thing that I got are these Trader Joe's Crunchy Cinnamon Squares cereals. So they're whole grain wheat and rice squares dusted with cinnamon and sugar. And these are 160 calories per serving dry, 210 calories with fat-free milk. I will be eating these with almond milk, and to me these are kind of like an inspiration of Cinnamon Toast Crunch, so I'm looking forward to eating these. Next, I got these plátano croutons with garlic and sea salt. So as many of you know, I am Latina, I am Dominican, which means we love plátanos and I love croutons, so why not have plátano croutons on my salad? ¿Quién? Ya va. I'm so sorry, you guys. I got interrupted by a visitor. But yeah, I got these amazing plátano croutons. I will let you guys know how these taste once I try them out. Alright, the next item in my bag are these JoJo Slims, and for 4 cookies, it's only 150 calories. So if you are an Oreo lover, I'm thinking that these can be a really good replacement. So I got these, and I will let you guys know how these taste. I also got this organic Midnight Moo chocolate flavored syrup. So my son is a chocolate milk lover, and I thought this would be a much healthier alternative than the Nesquik option. So I got him this. Let's see how he likes it. I also got this wine. It's a Cabernet. I know nothing about wine, so I really can't tell you if this is a good wine or a bad wine. All I know is my man wanted me to drink some wine, and he picked out this one, so I will let you guys know how it tastes. So I picked these out myself. This is rosé, so it's Italian sparkling wine in a can. I thought this was a good idea for me since I really don't drink wine like that. It doesn't say how many, let's see, it doesn't say how many calories it has. I'll find it out and I'll include it in the description box. But yeah, I got these over there as well. And this is the Simpler Wines brand. I also got this chili onion crunch, super famous on TikTok. I will be adding this on my avocado toast. I also got this mochi vanilla. So it's vanilla ice cream surrounded in sweet rice dough. Super famous on TikTok. For one little rice cake, it is 80 calories. So I wanted to try these out. Then I got these cauliflower rice right here. So this is the cauliflower rice stir fry. I'm super excited about these. So For 1 cup of these is only 50 calories, and it does taste like Asian rice. So I'm super excited to try these. These come with green peas, red pepper, grilled corn, tamari, spring onions, sesame oil, and ginger. Sounds super delicious, and if you are into keto, then I do recommend these. I also got this roasted vegetable multigrain lasagna. So for 1 serving of this, which is 1 cup or 227 grams, if you're using a scale, is only 220 calories. So I'm super excited to try these. I also got this vegetable fried rice. So excited to try these. Everyone keeps talking really good things about these. So for 1/4 of a cup, this is only 230 calories. Vegetable fried rice, and this is a Trader Joe's brand. I was dying to try this, you guys. This is the chicken chow mein. So this is kind of like a stir fry, and it has chicken and broccoli and a bunch of other good ingredients. And this one is 200 calories per serving, and a serving is 1/3 of the package, so that would be 189 grams. And last but not least, I got this tempura cauliflower. So it is basically like orange chicken, but it is in cauliflower. This is what I am the most excited to try, you guys. So I got 13 items, and the total was $63.66. So definitely affordable for some very fun, interesting foods that we're gonna eat. So if you're looking for healthy alternatives with more simple ingredients, then I do recommend for you to go to Trader Joe's. If you already have tried any of these items, make sure to leave it in the comments below and let me know if you like them, or if you think that I should pick up any additional items once I go back to Trader Joe's for a refill. Then let me know in the comments what items you do recommend. Until the next one, you guys.